Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to customize the color of your iPhone's battery icon but don't know how to do so? In this video, I will show you how to do it on iOS 16 without needing jailbreak. Let's go. The first step is to launch the settings. Go to Accessibility, click on Per App Settings under the General section and choose Add App option. Next, select Home Screen, press Smart Invert and toggle it on. This option will invert all the colors in the control center. This means that white will be black, green will be purple, and so on. If you prefer, you can turn on Dark Mode. As an example, when you plug in the charger, the green color will be switched to purple. You can also change the battery color to blue by turning on the low power mode. To do this, go back to the Settings main menu. Scroll down, select Battery, and turn on the low power mode toggle. Now the purple colored battery will turn blue. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.